In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Stripe subscription using the Stripe dashboard. Whether you're a business owner managing your accounts or a developer doing some administrative tasks, the process is relatively straightforward. So let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Stripe dashboard. This is the control center for all your Stripe activity, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the Billing section, and from there, click on Subscriptions. This will bring up a list of all your active subscriptions, giving you a clear overview of what's currently being billed under your account. The next step is to find the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Once you've located it, look for the three-dot Actions menu. That's the little icon next to the subscription details. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Select Cancel Subscription from this menu to begin the cancellation process. At this point, Stripe will present you with three options for how you want the cancellation to proceed. The first is to cancel immediately, which stops all billing and access right away. The second option is to cancel at period end, which allows the subscription to continue until the end of the current billing cycle. This is a great choice if you want to provide a notice period to your customer. The third option is to select a custom date. This flexibility allows you to set a specific date for the cancellation to take effect, which can be handy if you're aligning with another timeline or event. After you've chosen the timing of the cancellation, Stripe offers options for refunds or credits. You can apply a refund for the last payment if a customer recently paid their subscription fee. Alternatively, you might issue prorated credits. This ensures fairness for unused service time, maintaining good customer relations even when they are leaving your service. Once you've made these selections, you need to confirm to finalize the cancellation. Keep in mind that once a subscription is canceled, modifications are no longer possible. Therefore, ensure that everything is set according to your preferences before confirming. Alternatively, you might find it easier to cancel from a customer's record directly. To do this, first locate the customer and scroll down to the Subscriptions section. Click on the icon next to the subscription you want to cancel, and you will follow the same cancellation steps we just discussed. And there you have it, an easy process to cancel subscriptions using the Stripe dashboard. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful for your needs. If you have further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.